since SAFEMOON is not listed on Binance yet, we're going to have to have some Binance and then Pancake Swap. So what we're going to do, we're going to go into our Trust Wallet. Right, so this is our Trust Wallet. So when you got onto here, so on this app, the apps here, you come onto there, and then you're going to click onto it, and then you're going to come onto here, or you can just search Pancake Swap onto here, but I've been working with Pancake Swap, so that's why it's already showing onto here. So I'm going to click onto here. This is Pancake Swap. Go to click onto it. Then once we are onto here, you're going to need a BNB, which you were supposed to buy on Binance, or you can even buy it on Trust Wallet. So you can just have some BNB, and then you come onto here, and then you swap your BNB for whatever you want. Like since we're going to buy some SAFEMOON. Sorry about that. So we're going to buy our SAFEMOON on this one. Alright, so you have to connect your Trust Wallet with Pancake Swap. So you're going to click on to connect, right, and then you're going to click on to Trust Wallet, which is this one right here, and then you click onto it. Right, so my wallet has been connected, right? So thing is, I don't have BNB for now, but I will have to buy my BNB, and then I will have to swap it with whatever I want, which I'm going to buy, right? So we're going to come onto here. There are a lot of tokens or whatever you would actually want to buy, right? But you will have to have a BNB in order for you to swipe whatever token you want to buy, right? So they're all here, right? All these coins you can buy right here. So you will have to just do that. There's Pancake Swap. You can even buy that one. There's a lot. Doge. There's just a lot. Even some Polkadot, some Dodo. There's a lot. There's Ethereum. There's just a lot, man. So you can just search it here by SAFEMOON. And there is SAFEMOON right here. So it's going to show you what is going to happen, right? So to trade SAFEMOON, you must click on the settings icon and set your slippage tolerance to 12% or plus, right? This is because SAFEMOON taxes 10% fee on each transaction, right? 5% fee is equal to redistributed to all existing holders, right? So that means if you have SAFEMOON and you don't, by not selling it, you will always gain SAFEMOON to those who will be selling or whatever they will be doing with their SAFEMOON, right? So by just keeping it, you are actually going to be earning some money. Just imagine how many people they'll be selling SAFEMOON in each a day, and you will be holding yours, right? Definitely a lot of people. And then other 5% fee use to add liquidity, right? So you just have to go and do some research on all this, because I am no financial advisor in any kind. So all these videos are just what I usually do, and then just help out people who actually wants to do this, because I actually believe in cryptocurrency, because I think this is the future of money, where it's going to, so that we can actually be able to distribute our money to wherever we want to, without having to carry hardcore cash, So crypto has already solved that problem. So we actually have to be able to understand in each and every coin, what does it actually trying to solve, right? We know that Bitcoin was trying to solve some kind of carrying hardcore money to buy something somewhere in the world, and then this coin now is actually solving the fact that you should not just buy and sell. Now it's about buy and holding your crypto and earn on your crypto, right? So you can just go and research, so because as I said, I'm not a financial advisor or any kind of way. So this is the way that you can actually make some extra money on it. And if you're looking to get started, you can go straight to my description and then find all the links to all the exchanges that I use. They are all there, including TrustWallet and all of that. So this is all that you have to do, man. You're just going to add the slippage right there, and then you just agree with this, and then you continue, right? And then boom, you have your SAFEMOON, right? And then because SAFEMOON can be listed on any time right now, right? So you don't have to, you don't want to sleep on that, because once it gets listed on Binance, there's going to be a lot of gains, right? So guys, let's see what you're going to do. Let's see what you're going to end up. So I am definitely going to hold my SAFEMOON on my chest until I can actually be able to just wait for it to get listed, so that I can make my profits now. So I'll see you guys on the next one, and thanks for watching, and please subscribe and share the video, and I would like you to just leave that thumbs up so that it can reach many more other people. So thanks for watching, and then I will see you on the next one. Ciao.